स्कोर कार्ड आता है स्कोर कार्ड आता है से फोन ना जायदा जायद तापानु फोन दियो स्कोर कार्ड वेलकम बैक। सॉरी ये यहाँ पर फ़ोन गिर गया था, बॉल की वजह से बॉल आई थी फ़ोन को, इसीलिए स्टैंड नए से जोड़ना पड़ा। सो as a match between Tangmarg Blues versus Rising Star Society. बहुत ही बड़ा मैच यहाँ पर टंगमर्ग ब्लूज वर्सेस सोजेट के बीच। यहाँ पर और एक विकेट सोजेट का गिरता हुआ। बहुत ही बढ़िया क्रिकेट यहाँ पर देखने को मिल रहा है। सोजेट और टंगमर्ग ब्लूज के बीच बहुत ही बड़ा मुकाबला यहाँ पर बहुत ही अच्छी गेंदबाजी, बहुत ही अच्छे ले में प्लेयर दिखते हुए यहाँ पर। पहले अगर हम ओपनर्स की बात करें तो अच्छी ले में दिख रहे थे दोनों ओपनर्स, लेकिन कोई फ़ायदा नहीं सोजेट को। यहाँ पर स्कोर की अगर हम बात करें तो 30 पे 3 विकेटें गिरी है सोजेट की। एंड इट वाज मोहम्मद तौफीक, बहुत ही बढ़िया गेंदबाजी यहाँ पर मोहम्मद तौफीक की ओर। एंड अब आएंगे आदिल निसार क्रीज पे सोजेट की ओर। यहाँ पर आदिल निसार ने 27 मैच खेली है और बहुत ही अच्छे बल्लेबाज आदिल निसार। यहाँ पर अगर हम बात करें सोजेट की, यहाँ पर पहले ही अपने विकेट्स खो दिए अपने टीम के लिए। एज ए ग्रेट बॉलिंग बाय मोहम्मद तौफीक। अगर मोहम्मद तौफीक की बात करें तो पहली ही गेंद वाइड पे की थी एंड नाउ एज ए डॉट डिलीवरी पहली गेंद पे चटकाया था विकेट। एंड नाउ इट्स आदिल निसार ऑन द क्रीज। बहुत ही बढ़िया बॉलिंग यहाँ पर टंगमर्ग ब्लूज के और बहुत ही अच्छा मुकाबला। सोजेट भी बहुत ही अच्छी टीम है, बहुत ही बड़ा मैच है आज। यहाँ पर 3 विकेट खो चुके हैं सोजेट। यहाँ पर 5वां ओवर डालते हुए मोहम्मद तौफीक बहुत ही अच्छी ले में दिखते हुए। As Adil Nisar and Arif on the crease, as Mohammad Tawfiq on the bowling mark. मोहम्मद तौफीक बहुत ही अच्छी गेंदबाजी करते हुए यहाँ पर लिटिल बिट ऑफ अपील तौफीक करेंगे, लेकिन अंपायर सीधा नकारा करेंगे। यहाँ पर कंटिन्यूअसली कंसेक्यूटिव डॉट डिलीवरीज मिल रही है मोहम्मद तौफीक को। As a beautiful cricket between Society and Tangmarg Blues. बहुत ही उम्दा प्लेयर है, बहुत ही उम्दा प्लेयर दिखने को मिलेंगे हमें आज। बड़ा बॉलिंग बाय मोहम्मद तौफीक, बहुत ही अच्छी गेंदबाजी मोहम्मद तौफीक की ओर। As a great bowling by him. It's Adil Dar joining us. Thank you for joining this live stream. Keep sharing this live stream with your friends and keep supporting this channel. Oh, beautiful stop by the fielder, and it's batsman also there who is playing very well as a fielder there who fielded it beautifully. बहुत ही उम्दा क्रिकेट यहाँ पर टंगमर्ग ब्लूज एंड एसोसिएट के बीच। बहुत ही उम्दा प्लेयर दिखने को मिलेंगे हमें आज इस मुकाबले में। बहुत ही घातक मुकाबला, बहुत ही अच्छी ले में दिख रहे हैं टंगमर्ग ब्लूज। आदिल डार, thank you for this comment. It's again Adil It's again Arif on the crease. As a new bowler, it's Danish Nazir on the bowling mark. Tugmark Blues के बहुत ही अच्छे player है. And it's Arif on the crease. बहुत ही अच्छी फील्डिंग यहाँ पर स्लिप में दिखती हुए. It was the first ball of Danish Nazir. सिंगल मिलेगी सोजेट को. बहुत ही उम्दा क्रिकेट यहाँ पर देखने को मिल रहा है हमें. बहुत ही बड़ा मुकाबला टंगमर्ग ब्लूज और सोजेट के बीच. यहाँ पर दानिश बहुत ही अच्छी ले में दिखते हुए. दो बॉल्स फेंकी अपने ओवर की. पहली वाली रन थी एंड नाउ जस्ट डॉट बॉल. Again, Danish Nazir with his third ball. अच्छा स्लो वन लेकिन वाइड गेंद फेंकेंगे दानिश नज़ीर. स्लो ओवर का प्रयास था लेकिन कोई फ़ायदा नहीं. दानिश नज़ीर को वाइड डिलीवरी. बहुत ही अच्छी बॉलिंग, बहुत ही अच्छी बॉडी लैंग्वेज टंगमर्ग ब्लूज की ओर दिखते हुए. एंड अगर हम सोजेट जूनियर्स की बात करें, बहुत ही अच्छे प्लेयर्स है सोजेट के पास. बहुत ही उम्दा प्लेयर्स है एज ए टंगमर्ग ब्लूज द माइटी टीम. अगर हम पिछले मैच की बात करें तो वहाँ पर हमें मोहम्मद तौफीक देखने को मिले थे. मोहम्मद तौफीक विद a century and he also took some wickets for his team as they are great players as well. They are a strong team and it's again Adil Nazir with his fifth ball. यहाँ पर कीपर मिस करेंगे बॉल को लेकिन थर्ड मैन कोई गलती नहीं करेंगे. बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से बॉल को रोकेंगे. यहाँ पर अगर हम बात करें बैटिंग की तो यहाँ पर कोलैप्स हो गई है बैटिंग सोजेट की. यहाँ पर एक पार्टनरशिप की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी सोजेट को. मधु इट्स आदिल निसार और आरिफ को चाहिए कि वो क्रीज पर आई है. एक अच्छी पार्टनरशिप चाहिए हमें सोजेट की ओर. एज द एंड ऑफ दिस ओवर एंड ऑल्सो द पावर प्ले इज ओवर. 32 एज टंगमर्ग ब्लूज. One good team, sir. The rising star Sojet 32 with a loss of 3 wickets. तीन विकेट खो चुके हैं सोजेट. यहाँ पर बहुत ही बड़ा मुकाबला था. सोजेट को चाहिए था कि वो एक बड़ा टोटल दे लेकिन पावर प्ले में सिर्फ 32 रन दिखने को मिलेंगे हमें और 3 विकेट के नुकसान पर सोजेट. यहाँ पर अगर सोजेट की बात करें, सोजेट एक बहुत ही जाना माना क्रिकेट, बहुत ही बड़ा क्रिकेट क्रेज दिखने को मिलता है सोजेट में. बहुत ही बड़े प्लेयर्स है सोजेट के पास. एंड नाउ विल सी क्या होगा. एज तौफीक ऑन दी बॉलिंग बात. तौफीक, अगर हम तौफीक की बात करें, पिछले ओवर में एक विकेट चटकाए थे अपनी टीम के लिए. यहाँ पर मिड विकेट पे एक फील्ड तैनात थे और बहुत ही अच्छा कैच लिया था वहाँ पर मिड विकेट की फील्ड ने. एंड नाउ इट्स आरिफ ऑन द स्ट्राइक. मोहम्मद तौफीक का सामना करेंगे. बहुत ही अच्छी तरह स्टॉप करेंगे बॉल को. यहाँ पर आरिफ भाई यहाँ पर पहली डिलीवरी इस ओवर की एंड इज अ सिंगल डिलीवरी. It's a great battle between Tungmark Blues and Rising Star Sojet. It's Tungmark Blues. बहुत ही अच्छी टीम यहाँ पर देखने को मिलेगी हमें. बहुत ही अच्छी परफॉर्मेंसेस के साथ यहाँ पर इनके पास प्लेयर्स हैं. अगर हम प्रीवियस परफॉर्मेंसेस की बात करेंगे तो स्टार परफॉर्मेंसेस में मोहम्मद तौफीक देखने को हमें मिलेंगे जिसने सेंचुरी लगाई थी अपनी टीम के लिए. And Kershur Mastan joining us. Thank you for joining this live stream for this beautiful comment. Keep joining us, man. As a little bit of appeal by Mohammad Taufiq, but there's no connection between ball and bat, and as a dot delivery for Mohammad Taufiq. As Kershur Mastan was commenting, best of luck, Mohammad Taufiq. Thank you for this beautiful comment. Keep joining this live stream and keep sharing this live stream. You can also watch us on YouTube channel. Oh, it's a big one. It's a big one. There's a fielder below. It's Akib Ali here. No, it's a drop catch by Akib Ali. He dropped it easy one. There was an opportunity for Tungmark Blues for another wicket. As a drop catch by Akib Ali. There was a fielder on the deep mid wicket. Ball was high in the air and there was a fielder behind, but unfortunate for him, he'll miss it. And it's Arif on the crease. Oh, what a beautiful bowling! But the umpire declares it wide as a white ball. It's a white ball for Sozet. It was at 35 with a loss of 3 wickets. At 7th over, who's bowling Mohammad Tawfiq. Mohammad Tawfiq with his Mohammad Tawfiq is bowling very, very beautifully. As a great bowling by Mohammad Tawfiq. It's Arif on the crease. Arif, who faced 8 balls and scored 6 runs for his team, and at the other end it's Adil Nisar, who faced 12 balls and scored only 1 run. What a bowling by Mohammad Tawfiq. He is painting batters with his strength. He's a great bowler. Mohammad Tawfiq also is a great batsman as well. And now it's Rising Star Sozet 35 with the loss of 3 wickets. At 7th over now. As a great bowling by Mohammad Tawfiq. Oh, what a bowling by him. He's using his mind. He's what time over by Mohammad Tawfiq. It's a beautiful over bowled by Mohammad Tawfiq. Here we go. After 7 overs, 3 wickets are gone and 35 runs are scored by Rising Star Sozet. Mohammad Tawfiq's little brother is watching this live stream. Thank you for watching this live stream. Keep joining us and keep sharing this live stream with your friends. It's a big battle between Rising Star Sozet and Tangmarg Blues. Tangmarg Blues with his good body language. It's again Danish Nazir on the bowling mark. Oh, what a shot played by Adil. What a play played by Arif. As a great shot by him. What a shot. He picked the length and he placed it over the mid wicket. What a shot. As an incredible shot by the batter of Rising Star Sozet. Rising Star Sozet. Very, very beautiful shot by the batter of Sozet. He picks the length and throw it over the mid wicket. It's a big win. It's a big one. With this, Adil Nisar will score 7 runs for his team, and he faced 13 balls. What a shot played by the batter of Sozet. It's Adil on the crease, and now it's Danish Nazir on the bowling mark. Oh, here we go. As a run for Sozet. As a nice bowling by Danish Nazir. With this, Danish Nazir will. What a bowling by Danish Nazir. The first delivery was 6 for the team Sozet, and now there are 2 consecutive dot deliveries. No, the previous one was a single, and now it's Danish Nazir with his 4th ball. Oh, it's a big shot played by Arif. Again, it's a 6 for the team Sozet. It's a beautiful shot played by the Arif. With this, the score is and now it's here we go. It's 48 with the loss of 3 wickets. It was Arif who smashed the ball over the boundary, and now Danish Nazir. Oh, nice stop by the batter. as a good delivery by Danish Nazir. As Arif on the crease, and now as Danish Nazir oil ball is fifth ball, and now again is a dot delivery. Finish it is over very beautifully, but there were two big sixes played by the team Suzette. And now is Leggy on the crease. Oh no, it's Leggy on the bowling mark. Sorry. Oh, this is Farhan Leggy on the bowling mark. I'll say what. It's Farhan Leggy on the bowling mark. Adil Nisar will face him. It's a beautiful bowler by. He has a beautiful spin as well. He is the player of Tangmark Blues. And it's Farhan Leggy on the bowling mark. Oh, we'll see what will happen. And now it's Adil Nisar on the crease, and now there's a slip behind, and the keeper is close. And now as a first ball of this over, and it's a dot delivery for the Leggy. A beautiful ball from Sukkar Patton. Farhan Leggy on the bowling mark, Farhan Leggy with his second ball. Oh, it's a full of fun, and he plays it big. It's a big six played by the bit of Rising Star Suzette. What a shot by the batter. Was the beautiful shot played by him. The first one was dot delivery, and now he used his feet and smashed it to the long off. What an incredible shot by him. It's Arif who is smashing sixes for his team Suzette. Was the second ball of this over. He used his feet and played over the long off. He played it beautifully. What an incredible shot by the Arif. And now it is the third six and the second six of Muhammad Arif for his team Suzette. And now our score will move to 54 with the loss of 3 wickets, and it's 9th over as Farhan Leggy on the bowling mark. Saya tak comfortable. Kita aku lebih tu balik saya. Tahu saya buat ke orang Facebook. Tahu saya tengok dia jauh macam ni. Baras di kata dalam. Oh, bis mana? Buat dia. Kerana awak yakin aku. $54. It's Adil Nisar on the crease. He's playing beautifully. He's playing beautiful shots. He's looking pretty good. And now Farhan Leggy with his third ball. Again, he plays it big. Again, it's a big six over the 3-point. What a shot by the Adil Nisar. It's Farhan Leggy. It was the third ball of this over, and he smashed 2 consecutive sixes for the team Suzette. As Adil Nisar is looking pretty good. What a shot by him. With this, the score will move to 60 with the loss of 3 wickets. What an incredible shot by Adil Nisar. He's playing it beautifully. He's a good player of Team Suzette. What a shot by him. Where the score is 60 with the loss of 3 wickets. Is the 9th over of this innings. Is Farhan Leggy, who is bowling presently.
Yo, mano, tio, essa lá eu. Yo, mano.
What an incredible two shot is played by Adil Nassar. Two big sixes for the team associate. It's Farhan Leggy on the bowling mark. Oh, there's Farhan Leggy. And the score almost to 60. With a loss of 3 wickets, 8 overs are gone. And it's 9th over now. It's Adil Nassar. Again, there's a fielder. There's no fielder behind. The ball will find the gap and the ball will run for 4. Is the 16th run of this over. And now Farhan with his 5th ball. Nice turn here. As a younger player in the team, Changbak Blues. And now it's last delivery of this over. Oh, he plays it big. There is a fielder behind, but the ball will travel over the long one for 6. 3 sixes in this over and 1 boundary. It's Adil Nassar who smashed 3 sixes and 1 beautiful boundary in the over of Farhan Leggy. One great play between Changbak Blues and Rising Star Associate. Rising Star Associate lost their early wickets, and now here's Adil Nassar who is putting an impact. Is putting an impact for his team, and now is a turning point for the team Sozet. He's making runs beautifully. With this 9 overs are gone, and team Sozet scored 70 runs and they lost 3 wickets in the power play. And now it's Adil Nassar and Arif standing on the crease. They are playing beautifully for their team as a team Suzette. It's a great play, it's a great battle between Tangmak Blues and Rising Star Suzette. It's Arif on the crease. Faizan, ball in the hands of Faizan Butt now. Faizan Butt, who bowled beautiful 2 previous overs for the team Suzette. And now it's Faizan Butt on the bowling mark. What a great play between Tangmak Blues and Rising Star Suzette. That's a great play. And now it's Faizan Butt with his first ball. It's Arif on the crease. It's Arif standing tall. It's looking good. He's doing his best for the team Suzette. It's a great battle between Team Suzette and Tangmak Blues. What an incredible play. It's Adil Nisar who is standing tall on the crease, and it's a great combination between Arif and Adil. They are doing their best for the team Suzette, and now it's Faizan Butt. Oh, what a beautiful shot played by Arif, the player of Team Suzette, and now it's a 6 for Team Suzette. It's 76, and it's 76 now, another 6 for the Team Suzette. There's a little bit of stretching, we can say, Kalwali. And Arif with this beautiful shot. Arif is looking pretty good. It's Adil, Nisar and Arif. They are standing for their team. They are making as a beautiful partnership between Adil and Arif. Arif with his 6. And now it's the second ball of this over. First one was the 6, and now is a 6 is a second delivery. Again he plays it big. He plays big, and the ball will travel miles. As a beautiful shot played by the Arif. And it's Arif who is bashing the bowlers. He's playing beautiful shots for his team. His team Suzette. Team Suzette has beautiful players. They got beautiful talent as well. As Arif with his beautiful the 2 consecutive 6s for the team Suzette. And there were was Faizan Butt. Faizan Butt with his 3rd ball. The previous 2 balls they were smashed over the long off, over the mid on. And now his 3rd ball of this over. Again he plays it big. He plays big, and the ball will travel over the mid on. What an incredible play between Tangmak Blues and Team Suzette, Rising Star Suzette. It's Arif who smashed 3 consecutive 6s for his team. It's Faizan Butt, the bowler of Tangmak Blues. Faizan. It's Arif who smashed 3 consecutive 6s for the team Suzette, and now it's the 4th delivery of this over. And again he wants to play it big, but he will miss the ball. It was a short delivery, and the previous 3 deliveries, they were the over pitch deliveries, and there was no mistake done by the batter. 3 consecutive 6s smashed by the Arif. He is a great player. What an incredible shots played by the Arif. Was Arif who smashed 3 consecutive 6s for the team Tangmak. It's 88 with the loss of 3 wickets, and it's a 10th over. Is bowling Faizan Butt. Faizan Butt He's a good bowler also, but there is Arif who smashed 3 consecutive sixes, and now it was the 4th delivery of this innings, and it's a dot delivery. Baya Suzette ka. It's unfortunate for the Tugmark Blues as Arif who is standing tall for his team. 3 consecutive sixes for his team.
Baya, mắc đây có điểm chưa bal? Ồ, vậy mắc đây điểm chưa bal?
Oh, it's a beautiful play. It's a great innings by the Arif and Adil Nisar. What an incredible play. It's a great battle. And now it's Faizan versus Arif. Again he plays it big. He played it over the mid off and it's a 6. What an incredible innings by the Arif for the team. So he's smashing beautiful sixes for his team. It's a great play here. And now it's Faizan, but very unfortunate for him. And now it's Arif.
What is that English?
What? There's a fielder, below, there's a fielder. And he took it. The catch was taken by the fielder over.
Tinga?
ऊपर चढ़ो
Tinga English apa na?
ऊपर जाओ बच्चों.
ये क्या है? ये क्या है? तेरा रैंक कितना है? कितना है उधर? तेरा रैंक कितना है? ये कितना है? वो वाला क्या शायद? रैंक कितना है बताओ? और बोले?
But and beautiful play.
रैंक कितना है? 95. Pillars कितने बचे हैं? 95 runs. Here's a 95 runs. मुझे अच्छा हुआ. विकेट लेने हैं 5. 98. मैं करूँगा. मैं बाल करूँगा.
Nice, Yusuf Dar is joining us. Thank you for joining this live stream. फरहान ने 1 ओवर किया और and there was Adil Nisar जिसने 2 छक्के और 1 चौका जड़ा फरहान के ओवर में. उबैद हो. Catch.
क्या वीडियो बनाऊं? सीधा इंग्लिश का ना. तो मैं तो वन. और सर
मत करो.
वहाँ भी दिखाओगे टीम वाले को.
मैं मारूंगा वो.
मैं तुम्हारा सच्चा दोस्त हूँ. तुम्हारा भाई हूँ.
There was a battle between Faizan Butt and it was Arif on the crease. Arif who smashed 4 sixes in the over of Faizan Butt. Finally there was fielder in the deep square leg, and the fielder didn't make any mistake. He took the catch beautifully, and there was the wicket for the team Tugmark Blues. Was the wicket at the last ball of this over. It was Faizan Butt who gave 4 sixes in his over, and it was the wicket. What an incredible play! What an beautiful play between Tugmark Blues and it's Rising Stars Associate versus Tugmark Blues. It's a big battle.
Zayan the ball. Ubed bhaiya. Ubed bhaiya. Ubed bhaiya. Zayan the ball catch. Ubed bhaiya. Ubed bhaiya the ball go. Catch.
The Aussie next break. And now finally was the wicket for the Faizan, but finally he took Arif. It's the King who's joining us. Thank you for joining this live stream. Keep sharing this with our friends and keep supporting this. And now it's Akib Ali again. Akib Ali with his third over. As a new batter on the other end, Mubashir. Beautiful running between the wickets. It's Mubashir and Adil Nisar now. Adil Nisar who scored 29 runs and faced 20 balls. And now it's a new batter. कर लिया भाई, आप कितना करेंगे? Akib Ali who is bowling beautifully, but there's a new batter, Mubashir, who smashed the ball between the gaps. There's no third man behind her. There are two slips. No. Oh, what a beautiful shot played by the Mubashir. And now again, and now it's Adil Nisar on the crease. King, thank you for watching this live stream. And now it's Mubashir is looking pretty good. Again, there's no fielder behind. The ball will find the gap and it will travel for four. Again, there's another four for the player Adil Nisar, who scored 34 runs and he only faced 22 balls. Very beautiful innings for the team. Rising stars was it. It was Farhan, it was Faizan, but who gave much runs in the overs. And I will talk about the fielding. Then there are four fielders in the circle and 5 players are outside the circle, and the fielders are on the long on. There's a fielder on the long off, and there is the fielder on the deep sweeper, and there is a fielder on deep forward, and there's no third man, and there's a fielder in the deep point as well. $105. And the score is 105 with the loss of 4 wickets. 11 overs are gone. As a new bowler, Mohammad Azim. Mohammad Azim is a batter as well. Mohammad Azim is a lefty and is bowling righty for his team Changmar Blues. It's a fuller one, but the batter will miss it, and now it was the first delivery of this over, and now it's Mohammad Azim with his second ball. What an incredible length! What a beautiful length! As a good length. And now it's the third delivery of this over. It's Mohammad Azim. He wants to play a big, but there is a fielder behind. Very good fielding by the fielder of long off. There was fielder. And now it's a new batter, Mubashir. It's MD Makbul joining us. Thank you for joining this live stream. Thank you for watching this. And he's asking for location. The location is Tulbagh. It's located in the Sukkar Patan Baramulla. This ground is also known as Tulbagh. And now it's Azim lefty. It's new batter Mubashir. Oh, Mubashir wants to play a big one, but the ball was in the blocked side, and there's a fielder who fielded it beautifully. And now Mohammad Azim with his last delivery. Very, very good over bowled by Mohammad Azim. Oh, it was the Amir who wants to play a big, but he'll miss the ball. But there was there was third man also who stopped the ball. Kaya. Göz. Göz.
What's the question? Just look. Yeah, I block.
And now Mohammad Tawfiq, the new bowler, has a big shot played by the batter of Team Suzette. It's Adil Nisar, who is playing beautifully. It's a 6 for the Team Suzette. And he played it over mid wicket. Very, very quality shot played by Adil Nisar. Adil Nisar, 7 runs are left for his 50. And Mohammad Tawfiq, who is looking pretty good, but it's Adil Nisar on the crease. Mohammad Tawfiq with his second ball. Oh, Adil Nisar wants to play a big one, but he will miss the ball. And he also used his feet, and he mishit it. There's a quality cricket scene today. Mohammad Tawfiq with his third delivery. Oh, what an good length. It's a good bowling by Mohammad Tawfiq. Mohammad Tawfiq is bowling beautifully. The first delivery was 6, and now there are 2 consecutive dot deliveries for the team Changman Blues. And now, as an inside edge, there's no fielder on the long stop. The ball will travel for 4. It's Sophie Basharat who is joining us. Thank you for joining this live stream. And it's King who joined this live stream. Tomorrow, 3rd quarter final. As a big game between CSK 11 Palalan and Kashmir United Cricket Club. Very beautiful battle between them. And now it's Adil Nisar who is looking pretty good. Oh, what a great length. What a beautiful length. Has a great bowling. Has an incredible delivery. Bowled by Tawfiq. It was a short delivery. What a ball bowled by Tawfiq. He is quality bowler. Mohammad Tawfiq. Oh, that's a good over bowled by Tawfiq. What a great length. That's Sophie Basharat. Time क्या है? The time is 4:13. Big match tomorrow, King. Thank you for the support. There is a big game tomorrow, as we know. Sophie Basharat. It's the battle between Tangmak Blues and Rising Stars was it. The time is 4:13 p.m. And now it's Azim left here again. The keeper is close and it's New Era Mubashir. It's a dot delivery bowled by Muhammad Azim. As a good bowler. Oh, Mubashir. Mubashir is making a little bit of trouble for his team. He wants to play big shots but is missing the balls. As a full of one. What a shot by Mubashir. It was the full toss and it was Mubashir who played over the mid wicket. There was field also, but the ball will travel over the field for 6. The score is 124 with a loss of 4 wickets. 13 overs are gone. And as a fourth delivery of this over, the ball was missed by the keeper. It's Mudassir. He missed the ball, and there was a third man also, but he also missed the ball, and the ball will travel for 4. And now and now it's 128 with a loss of 4 wickets. It's 14th over now. It's Mubashir was also looking pretty good. There's a good bowler also. Oh, Mubashir played it big as a big 6 played by the batter. It's Mubashir. What a shot played by the batter of Team Sozet as a second 6 in this over. That was the last delivery of this over, and the ball will travel, ball will find the cape for 4. And the over is gone. It was Azim lefty. It was a beautiful batter Mubashir who smashed 2 sixes and 1 beautiful boundary for the Team Sozet. It's Vani Akib, Sajjad Ahmad Dar, Vani Akib for joining us. Thank you for watching this live stream. Watching from Barampura. Thank you for watching. Keep sharing this live stream. Sajjad Ahmad Dar, I think he out हुआ है. No. Ismani Akib. Match का चलन. The match is between Tangmak Blues and Rising Stars Sozet. It's TB versus RS. Adil Nisar, 3 runs. 3 runs left for his 50. And now it's Akib Ali on the bowling mark. Oh, beauty. There was a fielder, but he will drop the cage. There was fielder on the T point. It was very simple catch, but he will drop this opportunity. It was the match for the team Tangmak Blues. It was not the cage. Oh, again, it's a beautiful shot played by Adil Nisar, and also as a 50 for Adil Nisar who scored 52 runs only in 35 balls as a third delivery of this over. Oh, Mubashir plays it big as a big shot played over the mid wicket. One shot played by Mubashir. Mubashir is smashing sixes for his team. He's smashing sixes again and again. And it's another six smashed by Mubashir. 149 with the loss of 4 wickets. Oh, there was no field on the field. As Adil Nisar and Mubashir was smashing the bowlers as a 400 for the team. So is it. There's a fielder below. There's field on the deep forward who took it beautifully. It was a mistiming by Mubashir. Mubashir was looking pretty good. Mubashir who scored 32 runs only in 13 balls. Mubashir who smashed sixes. Very beautiful sixes. Five wickets are gone. As Adil Nisar and the new pitcher on the crease. There's a good play between Tangmar Blues and Rising Stars, was it? As Adil Nisar standing tall for his team. There's one delivery left. There was field on the deep forward, and the catch was taken beautifully. And now Aqib Ali, who finished his over. On the overs, 153. Adil Nisar wants to play big, but there was a dot delivery. And it's Mohammad Azim who's bowling now. By time. There's a fielder below, there's a fielder on the long on, and taken beautifully. It's a beautiful play between Team Sozed and Tangmar Blues. It was a wicket of Adil Nisar. Adil Nisar who gave his best for the Team Sozed. And now it was a wicket for Mohammad Azim.
And here is a chance of a wicket, another wicket for Rising Star Sozet. They lost their 7th wicket in the shape of Liaquat Butt, 154, and they lost 7 wickets after 15.3 hours. This is a T20 under 19 played at Rukatul Bagh ground. Sophie Basharat, congratulations, thank you Sophie Bashar Saab for watching this live stream. Adil Nisar, thank you. King Javed Gour, thank you King Saab for watching this live stream on my Facebook, Muhammad Anas bin Bilal, and you can also support me on my YouTube channel, Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Thanks for your support. This is Muhammad Azim take his second wicket in his third over to the new batsman Bilal. And the new batsman opened his account with a single. With the single, the score moves on 155 runs, and they lost 7 wickets. Shaukat on strike, Muhammad Azim to the batsman Shaukat, and this is a good delivery by Muhammad Azim, but at the end it is a message by wicket keeper. The two batsmen take a run here in the shape of extra. The score moves on 156. Sophie Basharat, jaldi jaldi bolo, time come hai. Thank you Sophie Basharat Saab for watching this live stream. This is under 19 T20 tournament played at Chukkar Tulbagh ground. The two teams are Tangmarg Billows versus Rising Star Sajat. Sophie Basharat plays con Rising Star Sajat. They made 157. They lost 7 wickets after 16 hours. They win the toss and they decided to bat first. Rising Star Sajat. This is a Muhammad T. Oh, this is a wicket for Muhammad T. Very good bowling by Muhammad T. Clean bowled. This is the end of Irfan. Rising Star Sajat, they lost their 8th wicket. And this is a good batting by the batsman of 157 on board, and they lost 8 wickets. And this is the 17th hour of this evening. The prejudice score will be 175 8. Sophie Basharat plays tune.
Ladies,
Now 2.
yeah, nice wicket.
Muhammad T, he take his second wicket. Now the new batsman is Shahid Fayaz. He is the new batsman on strike. Muhammad T on his bowling mark to the new batsman Sophie Shahid Fayaz. This is a wide delivery given by the umpire. With this wide, the score moves on 158. Sophie Basharat, thank you Sophie Bashar Saab for your love, for your support. Keep share this live stream with your friends, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel, Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is a good delivery by Muhammad T. He is on his bowling mark, and the delivery, but at the end very good fielding by the fielder, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With the single, the score moves on 160, and they lost 8 wickets. If Rising Star Sajat wants to give the target of 190, they need big shots. Muhammad T to the batsman, and this is another good delivery. Good comeback by the bowler Muhammad T, but the two batsmen take a single. Very good running between the wicket, between the two batsmen Shahid Fayaz and Shaukat. Shaukat, he is on 4 runs. Muhammad T to the batsman Shaukat. This is another good delivery by Muhammad T. Dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 161, and they lost 8 wickets. This is 16.4 hours. This is a Muhammad T on his bowling mark to the batsman Shaukat. Oh, this is a good shot played, but and then here is a chance, and this is a good catch taken by the fielder of Tangmarg Billows. This is another loss for Rising Star Sajat. Rising Star lost their 9th wicket in the shape of Shaukat. It is the end of the inning of Shaukat. He made only 4 runs. Muhammad T take his 3rd wicket, and this is the 4th over of Muhammad T. Very good bowling by Muhammad T. He gives only 18 runs and take 3 crucial wickets for his team, Tangmarg Billows. I think it is great total if Rising Star Sajat gave the total of 190, 180 to Tangmark Blues. On this pitch, this will be good total. Now the new batsman is on strike. Thanks for your support, Sophie Saab. This is Muhammad T to the new batsman, and this is another big good shot played by the batsman for 4. This is first 4 for the new batsman. He opens his account with 4. After 17 hours, the score is 165, and they lost 9 wickets. This is the last over of this evening for Rising Star Sajat. Muhammad Azim completed 3 hours and he gave 23, and he take 2 crucial wickets. Now the new batsman on, and this is another good delivery by the bowler. But the 2 batsmen take a single. Very good running between the wickets by the 2 batsmen, Shahid Fayaz and Javed. Muhammad Azim on his bowling mark to the batsman. This is good delivery by Muhammad Azim, but the 2 batsmen take a single here. With the single, the score moves on 166. Muhammad Azim on his bowling mark to the batsman. Javed, here is a very good shot played at, and but it is a 6 by the batsman Javed Malik, and 6 for Rising Star Sajat. Very good shot played by the batsman Javed Malik. This is 6 for Javed, 6 for Rising Star Sajat. This is another 6 by the batsman. Very good batting by the batsman. This is second 6 on second 2 deliveries. Very good batting by Shahid Fayaz. He reaches on 14. The score moves on 179. This is lost affair, and now 2 balls remaining for this first inning of this match between Tangmark Blues versus Rising Star Sajat. 179. 2 balls remaining for this first inning of this match. Muhammad Azim to the batsman Shahid Fayaz. Oh, this is another shot played by the batsman for another 6. This is good shot played by the batsman. Very good shot played by Sophie Javed. Sophie Fayaz. 3 balls, 3 sixes. Muhammad Azim. This is last delivery of this inning. First inning. 180. Oh, here is chance and it is out. And this is 186 run need Tangmark Blues now. Very well knocked at the end by Shahid Fayaz. 20 runs in 5 deliveries only. Now Tangmark Blues, they need 186 runs in 18 overs. Very good batting by the batsmen of Rising Star Sajat. Rising Star Sajat gave the target of 186 runs to Tangmark Blues in 18 hours. So it is the end of first evening. We'll meet again inshallah after some time. Thank you. Khuda Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.